Papa Lima, have you picked up any local weather?
Papa Lima's got the weather at Quincy.
Yeah, the last PIREP I had out of Quincy were bases were 1400 to 1800 overcast. There's a little area of weather up closer to Quincy, so it may be better down there at Perry.
Roger, I got looks like a couple of broken layers below me here.
Jefferson City's a little better. Jet City's 10,000 broken. Hopefully get a big approach to Perry.
Roger, if I can't get the visual there, I can do the approach into Kilo 52.
Roger. Papa Lima, just to maintain 2,700.
2,700, 5 Papa Lima.
Number 5 Papa Lima, do you have ground contact?
Yeah, for this 5 Papa Lima, I should be able to get the visual unless I run into this layer here coming up. I'll let you know.
Number 5 Papa Lima, ready. Number 5 Papa Lima, the airport's 12 o'clock and 5 miles.
5 Papa Lima, I'm looking. This little lower deck's filling in here, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it visually. May have to go back to Kilo 52.
Okay, number 5 Papa Lima, roger. They had that altitude up, but I need you to stay north of the airport. The MIA changes to 3,100 once you go south of the airport. So if you don't see it by the time you're beam of it, just make a left or right turn your choice and head back to the north. Maintain 2,700.
5 Papa Lima, roger. If I don't get the visual, I'll head back north at 2,700.
And remember 5 Papa Lima, I'm showing you almost to the airport there. About 3,100 is going to be the MIA just south of there. What do you think? Are you going to have to turn back to the north there to go back to Monroe City?
Yeah, I can't get the visual here. I'm going to have to go back up to Kilo 52.
November 5 Papa Lima, roger. Once you're good, next to the left turn there at 2,700, direct to Monroe City.
Left turn and direct Monroe City. 5 Papa Lima.
And November 5 Papa Lima, just advise when you have the weather there and type approach you're requesting that at Monroe City.
5 Papa Lima, roger. I might be able to just get the visual into Monroe City. I'll get up there a little closer.
November 5 Papa Lima, roger.
Yeah, it was pretty clear there when I came through a few minutes ago.
November 5 Papa Lima, roger. November 5 Papa Lima, report Monroe City in sight.
5 Papa Lima, I'll report Monroe City in sight.
November 5 Papa Lima, how's it looking out there?
Yeah, 5 Papa Lima, you got a little standard layer here. I should be able to get the visual.
Roger.
And Kansas City, 5 Papa Lima's got the airport here at Monroe City.
November 5 Papa Lima, roger. Twin visual approach to Monroe City. Report your cancellation. Lap on 135.5 your downtime through plane service. And change advisory is approved.
5 Papa Lima, roger, and I'll cancel right now.
5 Papa Lima, roger. Radar services coming in. Spawn be informed. Frequency changes approved. Have a great day.
Squawk and VFR and frequency change. Talk to you later.